Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you kind of my go-to look using the Morphe 35M palette. It's kind of a purple, hold on. I like to use a lot of these purple shades in here. I actually kind of have two, I guess, go-to looks with this palette. One of them is this one that I'm about to do that involves the purples, and then I also like to use the olive tones in it a lot. But I'm gonna go with the purples today. This is a look I like to do quite often when I'm not really sure what I want to do with my makeup because it's easy, but it's really pretty. So I'm just going to show you how I achieve that today. Okay, so I'm sure you noticed today was one of those rare occasions where I did my foundation and the rest of my face before my eyes. I don't find that this palette has a lot of fallout, so I wasn't too worried about it, and I'm actually doing a first impressions and wear test on this foundation right now. It will be up before this video, so I will link it up here if I can figure it out and down in the description. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to take this kind of pinky shade right here. I don't know, hold on, I've got the sheet. It's FOTD. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here and kind of blow it out in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this purple shade, which is Power Slayer, and I'm going to take that a little bit lower in my crease. Okay, now to deepen it up just a little bit more, I'm going to take Transformer, which is this darkest purple shade down here in the corner, and I'm just going to take that right in my crease and on my outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to make this a half cut crease. I like to go in with the ColourPop Supernova shadow in the shade Constellation. It's just a really pretty like champagne-y gold color. Now this applicator it comes with is fine for like just kind of dabbing it on and patting it out and stuff, but I want a more precise line, so I'm going to go in with an actual brush and just get some product off the wand here, which I might be running low on, so hopefully I have enough to do this. But if you don't have like a liquid eyeshadow or something to do this with, just do it with a gold eyeshadow. I mean, it's kind of the same thing. This is a lot easier and quicker because since it is a liquid shadow, you can just create that new crease with it and not have to go in with concealer first. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I did end up having to go in with the wand more than I usually do because I've had this forever and it's starting to get a little dry and used up. So I was having trouble getting it on the lid, so I just used the wand and kind of used the brush to outline a little bit more. But yeah, so I just take that about halfway across the lid like a typical cut crease. Um, it's one of my favorite ColourPop Supernova shadows because it's just such a pretty shade. And if you've never used their Supernovas before, they're liquid but they dry down completely, and they stay really well. So you don't have to worry about it like slipping around and creasing because like it's dry already. So I'm gonna go in and blend out these edges a little bit more and do my under eye. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished my eyes off camera, put my lashes on, put my lip on. This is Gerard Cosmetics Gravity Liquid Lip. I love their liquid lip formula because it's so comfortable. It's not like super drying or anything like that. And it's long lasting, and the pigment, they're just so pigmented. Like this is one layer. My lashes are just the Pure Lior lashes that I got sent in PR that I'm still loving. This one is not dry yet, my bad. So yeah, here's the finished look. This look, when I'm not filming and like having to pay attention to what I'm doing and, you know, show products and stuff, takes me like 10-15 minutes. Like it's really fast and it's really pretty. It doesn't take a lot of products. It's just super simple and super pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna get off of here now because I need to go get dressed so I can go to work. But this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that you find this look as easy and as fun and as pretty as I do. And I will talk to you guys later.